Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here, and I got a package and I'm super excited about what's in here because I wanted these for a long time, and the other day Moki had some locks for sale in the LPU Discord, so if you don't know that, go there. There is some amazing people who sell and trade their locks. Really a good opportunity. And this was a good reminder to ping him and buy some locks, which are in here. And also, while we are at it, buy some of his seemingly very, very nice picks. And I'm excited to have them in my hand. So let's cut this open and have a look. So Moki is also a very talented German picker. From Berlin, I think, and I've seen his picks in many channels and wanted to try them. I love my multi-picks, but yeah, why not try something else from now and then? And let's see what they're up to. So, nicely packed. So here are the locks. I hope I don't make anyone jealous, because I was rather quick on them. MNC color, size icon, Sperrwelle, Alloy Exact. Oh, I'm excited to try this one. Nemeth NF2. Heard much about it. And yeah, here are the keys. We will not have a look at these. They're not so important right now. Let's get the package out of the way. Here's the good stuff. Okay, first of all, let's have a look at this. Yes. So, with extra handle, nice. So these are the high pin count lock picks. Amazing, they look super nice. So all of his picks are in 0.5 millimeters, and these are meant for, locks like a queso or so, or cover. Let's grab one actually. Like a lock like this, where you have 4 rows of pins and just so many pins. They will hopefully do a good job on this one. And yeah, in here is all the other stuff I ordered, hopefully. I hope this is just replacement. Let's put this up here, and basically I ordered everything from him. Pry bars, Moki Workshop. Let's take them out. Very nice. They two-ended. Here are the thicknesses, so yeah, very nice. And then there's wire tensioners with shrinking tube. I think they're mostly different in the size of the head. We'll see. I don't know if the thickness is also different. Looks rather the same. I will have a closer look in a moment. And here are all the picks. Very nice. Oh, I got some extra. I have diamond and a rake. Whoa, these are very nicely polished. Feel very good. These look super pointy. Very nice. So I have to be a bit careful that I don't mix them all up. Look at that. And if you don't know the picks, they're very nice because in the handle you'll always have a replacement. So if this ever breaks, you can just swap it around and then use this profile. Just cut it off here. Oh, why did I take this one out now? Flat, like here, I hope. Again, very nice profiles. Nice. Okay, yeah, amazing stuff. Also, I've printed out already one handle, but our 3D printer is acting up again a bit. But it's very nice that Moki just gives you away the STL file and you can just print these on your own. And yeah, we assign the half diamond with that. And then I also bought some handles from him. Which are in here for 6 picks. And I'll put these together. And some screws. Ooh, nice. Let me show you that in a second. Okay, so here are keys. Keys. Screws. And a very nice Moki tray in green. Very cool. Nice printer works, so nice. Very cool. And look at these goodies. A Moki sticker, Mao, LPU, an arm lock sticker. I haven't seen those around. Very cool. So more for my collection. Very cool. Thank you very much for including these, Moki. Wouldn't have guessed that they're in here. So let's assemble some picks. I'm excited for it. I think he threw in more handles than I ordered. Very nice. I whined a bit that my 3D printer is broken sometimes.
A few moments later.
So I just put together 5 of the picks I got. I'm just impatient. I don't want to put all of them together. I have more holes here and I still need to print some. And yeah, I'm just excited to see how they work on logs. So I just brought a bunch and yeah, let's pick through them and I will share my experience afterwards. And yeah, let's just get started. And I will probably fast forward and give you some music or so and let you know afterwards. So starting off with the ATTI 45. Okay, welcome back from fast forward. Quick testing, and these feel amazing. I could open all the locks I choose. This BKS88, one of my favorites. Burgwächter 11640. Abus Silver Rock. Abus Titanium 8045. 8560 and Classic 7240. And for sure I will play around with these longer, but this will not be a part of this video today anymore. But for me already, yeah, I'm a bit of in a hard situation because I really love my multi-pick picks, and yeah, these are a very good competition. So we'll see how it goes further, yeah. So if you're still here, thanks for watching, and Moki, thanks for creating these amazing picks and yeah, sending these to me. Bye. Stop. Don't turn off. I decided not to cut away here and just publish the unboxing, but no, I wanted to have a bit more experience with the picks. And now it's a couple of days later, and I finally repaired my 3D printer, got handles on all of them, and I really prefer it with handles. I tried also without handles, but for me it's better with the handles. And I must say, Moki, these picks are amazing. They're really, really nice, and some great profiles here. This very tiny, thin ones here have so good reach. It's really amazing, and the finishing on all of these makes them glide so nice through the keyways. It is really a pleasure to use them. I really enjoy using them, I must say. Yeah, and to be able to store them properly, I designed a quick pick holder, and I will just populate it quickly, fast forward it, and then show you what I got. And you can find the file on this on my Thingiverse if you also want to print it. Okay, all of them are in. Yeah, as you can see, I have larger compartments on the back for the high pin count dimple picks, the A-cap picks. Then I have smaller slots in the front for the tensioners, and I have two left, so if I get two tensioners more, I can put them in. There's a large space here in the front, we just have the leftover screws. But basically you can put any 40mm lock in there, like this Mako lock, or whatever you choose to put in there. It's just really nice to have it. And yeah, for the main picks I always have like 4 on each row, and Moki has for most of the profiles 4 profiles. And usually I put, this is the wrong way round. Usually I put the shallowest one in the front and then the steepest one in the back. Yeah, works with the others. And yeah, here for those, I only got 3, and also for those, so I put the rake and the half diamond in there. Yeah, Moki, once again, thank you very much for these amazing picks. I will use them in the future for sure. So everybody who's still here, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.